Hey everybody, this is week two. This is Sunday before week two. I just want to let you know that I hope you're all doing well. Everybody here is fine. Last week was a little stressful, so I decided to lay low on the curriculum. And it's going to rev up a little bit, but I can only do so much so that you guys aren't feeling lost. I appreciate you guys that have done the work. I know that it will take not very much time to do so. You have one assignment plus two forms that are really silly simple. It will take you less than 10 minutes to do, so please get those in. Um, Next of all, if you guys come to the meetings, um, I will basically be doing the homework for you, and I'll be doing it not for you, but with you. And so come with those and I'll adjust it. Now, second hour, you guys will be meeting on Monday, but I can always set up a time differently with you guys. I know that some of you guys have already emailed me that you're not able to via work, via other stuff. But I'm here for you guys and trying to make it simple for you. You're going to have three assignments. One of them has to deal with the SPDNF. Then we're going to do periodicity, which will have some videos. And then we'll kind of keep going from there. Then the next week, we're going to start. It's a little difficult because I'm not going to be doing what I normally can do in class. I would be doing some labs and that type of stuff, and it's just not working well. I'm going to have you guys do some labs at home, but very simple, very easy. Alrighty, I will talk to you guys later. So have a good one. I will see you later. Adios.